Uligama, a resilient 25-year-old from Hyderabad, has faced a 90% locomotor disability since childhood. Despite the challenges posed by her health issues, she refused to let her circumstances define her future. Unable to attend school due to her condition, Uligama took charge of her education. She taught herself the basics of reading and writing, and even acquired computer skills through YouTube tutorials. Her determination led her to start writing a novel using the Pratilipy app. Overcoming societal judgments, Uligama also learned tailoring and beautician skills. With her mother's support, she started a small tailoring and sari business at home with a modest capital of 20,000 rupees. However, lacking business knowledge and marketing skills, she faced significant challenges. Customers often paid very little for her services because she operated from home without a proper setup. Financial institutions underestimated her potential due to her disability, making it difficult for her to secure the support she needed. But Uligama's journey took a positive turn with the support of DeHub's transformative initiative, Ignite. In collaboration with AIC Ganitz, Ignite is designed to empower differently abled individuals by unlocking their entrepreneurial potential. Through a comprehensive 2-week hands-on training program, Ignite provided Uligama with essential skills, knowledge, and inspiration to kickstart her entrepreneurial journey. The program included real-time case studies, fundamental skill sets, and exploration of various opportunities and government support programs. Now, Uligama seeks your support to take her business to the next level.
చిన్నప్పుడు నేను చిన్న డిస్క్రిమినేషన్ ఎదుర్కొన్నాను. వేసుకునే బట్టల విషయంలో చాలా డిస్క్రిమినేషన్ ఎదుర్కొన్నాను. 16 ఇయర్స్ ఏజ్లో నాకు లంగావోని వేసుకోవడం, చీరలు కట్టుకోవడం ఇవి చాలా ఇష్టం. ఆడపిల్లకి ఏ ఆడపిల్లకైనా ఇష్టం ఉంటుంది. అంటే నేను ఇక్కడ నా ఇన్నోవేషన్ ఐడియా అన్నది ఇక్కడే ఉంది. నేను టైలరింగ్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి కారణం నాకు నచ్చిన విధంగా నేను నా డ్రెస్ స్టిచ్ చేసుకొని వేసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు నా ఇన్నోవేషన్ ఐడియా ఏంటంటే అడాప్టివ్ క్లాత్. అండ్ ఎవరైనా సరే డిజబుల్ వాళ్ళకు నచ్చిన విధంగా డ్రెస్ చేసుకోవడానికి వాళ్ళ కంఫర్టబుల్ డ్రెస్సింగ్ నేను ఇవ్వాలి.
Join us in supporting Uligama's journey. Together we can make a difference.